McDonald's head. Welcome to McDonald's. Well, can I take your order?
Sure, I'd like some french fries, some chicken nuggets, and some chocolate milk, please. Thank you for my Happy Meal. Yum, let's see what we have in there. What'd you get, Mommy?
Bussy. Bussy. Here. Hey, milk. We have some chicken nuggets.
Yummy.
French fries.
Oh, yummy, yummy. Let's see this toy again. What is it?
Starfire Jetstream.
Awesome.
Okay,
What is it?
Butterfly.
French fry.
Butterfly. Yeah! Yay! 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 It's sad!
Today we're going to be building a Lego fish trap. Look, there's a massive fish. Zoom in on it. He's so
Why?
Now it's finally time
Ow!
to build a huge little Lego set. We got little Legos. We got
More.
What you got? You got a toy in there?
these guys. So
Yep.
turn on little Lego.
What is it?
And I guess we're just going to
Whoa. Teen Titans. Welcome to McDonald's! Come play with me! So I'm gonna go up. Say hi. Hi! So we're gonna go up to the slide. I'll slide you down with the phone. See a prayer mapper. Ready? So we're going up. So we're gonna go up here and then we just go.
Again? Go, Tommy, go.
You go.
Go, Tommy, go.
I'll see you
All right.
up here. I'll see you up there.
Oh, no.
Jack!
Oh, no, you're stuck? You're stuck in jail?
Come on.
All right, let's go.
Mommy!
Hi. Are you in the tree? Tree.
Hi.
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 Oh no. Oh down.
Dead end.
What's it?
I'm right here. I see.
Oh no.
Oh,
Kiss it. I'm dead. Once. Tommy, come on. Mom.
I see.
Mom, look.
Oh.
See.
Oh.
Look. Watch us go down the slide. Okay. I'm on. Blue.
Blue?
Hey. We're up. Let me get on.
Okay. Oh, I see. So fun. Okay, go. Oh no.
Tommy.
Boo boo. I got shock. And boo boo.
You're holding to my foot. Hop. Are you ready?
Go.
Sit next to me, okay? Okay. Right here. Your feet up here. One.
Come on. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Go. Whee!
Let's see what it does.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Right here. It's right there. Right there. Right there. Ready? Go. Go. We'll go to the big slide. Tommy! I'm gonna go up here. You listen. Tommy, you stay there. Thanks for watching.